Imagine a world where wrinkles are a thing of the past. A world where time no longer steals our strength and vitality. Imagine a world where death, the ultimate thief, is finally vanquished. This is the tantalizing promise of immortality, a concept that has captivated philosophers, scientists, and dreamers for centuries. For millennia, humans have sought the elusive fountain of youth, a mythical source of everlasting life. But what if the key to immortality lies not in some hidden spring, but within the very fabric of our being? What if the secrets to conquering aging and unlocking a future without end are hidden within our cells, waiting to be discovered? The quest for immortality is a journey into the unknown, a bold exploration of the boundaries of science and the very definition of what it means to be human. It is a journey fraught with ethical dilemmas and profound implications for the future of our species. Are we ready to unlock the door to a world without end? To conquer aging, we must first understand its intricate mechanisms. Aging is a complex process, a gradual decline in our physical and mental capabilities over time. It is a symphony of cellular wear and tear, genetic predisposition, and environmental factors, all playing their part in the inevitable march of time. At the heart of this intricate process lies a tiny structure called the telomere. Telomeres are protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes, like the plastic tips on shoelaces, preventing them from fraying and unraveling. Each time a cell divides, its telomeres shorten slightly. Over time, these telomeres become critically short, leading to cellular senescence, a state where cells stop dividing and lose their ability to function properly. This cellular aging process contributes to the overall aging of our bodies, manifesting as wrinkles, weakened immune systems, and increased susceptibility to age-related diseases. Scientists believe that by understanding and manipulating telomeres, we might be able to slow down or even reverse the aging process. Enter CRISPR, a revolutionary gene editing technology that has taken the scientific world by storm. CRISPR acts like a pair of molecular scissors, allowing scientists to precisely cut and edit DNA sequences, including those related to aging. With CRISPR, we have the potential to correct genetic defects, enhance cellular repair mechanisms, and even extend the lifespan of telomeres. Imagine a future where we could edit out genetic predispositions to diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's, effectively erasing these threats from our biological blueprint. CRISPR offers a glimpse into a future where we could rewrite the code of life itself, tailoring our biology to achieve longevity and enhance our physical and cognitive abilities. It is a tool of unprecedented power, capable of reshaping the very essence of what it means to be human. As we delve deeper into the complexities of aging and the human genome, we find an invaluable ally in artificial intelligence. AI's unparalleled ability to analyze vast datasets and identify complex patterns makes it an indispensable tool in the quest for immortality. Scientists are using AI to analyze massive genetic databases, searching for correlations between specific genes and longevity. By understanding these genetic links, we can develop targeted therapies and interventions to slow down or even reverse the aging process. But AI's role in the pursuit of immortality extends beyond the realm of biology. It also offers the tantalizing possibility of digital immortality. Imagine uploading your consciousness, your memories, your very essence, into a digital realm, free from the constraints of a physical body. This concept, while still in its infancy, raises profound questions about the nature of consciousness, identity, and the very definition of life itself. As we stand on the cusp of this brave new world, we find ourselves at a crossroads, faced with two distinct paths to immortality: biological and digital. The biological path focuses on extending the lifespan of our physical bodies, using genetic engineering, cellular therapies, and other advancements in biotechnology to combat aging at its very core. It is a path that seeks to conquer death by preserving the vessel of our existence, our physical form. The digital path, on the other hand, offers a more radical approach, transcending the limitations of our physical bodies altogether. By uploading our consciousness into a digital realm, we could potentially live forever as digital beings, free from the constraints of aging, disease, and even death. These two paths, while distinct, are not mutually exclusive. They represent two sides of the same coin, two different approaches to answering the same fundamental question. What does it mean to live forever? The pursuit of immortality, while scientifically exhilarating, leads us into a labyrinth of ethical dilemmas. If we succeed in conquering aging and extending human lifespan indefinitely, what would be the consequences for society, for our planet, and for the very meaning of life itself? One of the most pressing concerns is the issue of overpopulation. In a world where death is no longer an inevitability, how do we manage population growth? Do we restrict births? Do we find ways to expand beyond Earth? These are questions with no easy answers, questions that force us to confront the limits of our resources and our responsibility to future generations. The potential for widening social divides is another significant concern. Will the technologies that grant immortality be available to all, or will they be accessible only to the wealthy and privileged, creating a world where the rich live forever while the poor are left behind? The quest for immortality raises profound questions about equity, justice, and the very fabric of our social contract. The specter of overpopulation looms large over any discussion of immortality. Our planet's resources are finite. Imagine cities stretching across continents, where natural resources are stretched to their breaking point. Competition for space and resources leads to conflict. Inequality is equally concerning. If immortality becomes a commodity, we risk creating unprecedented social stratification. This is a future we must strive to avoid. The quest for immortality is a journey into the unknown, a journey fraught with both promise and peril. It is a journey that forces us to confront fundamental questions about the nature of life, death, and our place in the cosmos. Is immortality the ultimate dream? The key to unlocking unlimited potential and achieving a future free from the constraints of aging and death? Or is it a Pandora's box, a dangerous pursuit that could lead to overpopulation, social unrest, and the erosion of what it means to be human? These are questions that each of us must grapple with as we stand on the precipice of this brave new world. The answers, like the universe itself, are vast, complex, and ultimately unknowable. But one thing is certain: the quest for immortality, regardless of its outcome, will forever alter the course of human history.